Both social services and the NHS have obligations to provide care. If your needs are complex, the boundaries between health and social care may not always be clear. As services provided by the NHS are free, whereas the services provided by social services are means tested, the outcome of any decision as to who has responsibility for your care can have significant financial consequences. NHS Continuing Healthcare is a package of care funded free of charge by the NHS. The care can be provided in hospital, a nursing home or at home and covers medical care, nursing care, personal care and accommodation. Eligibility is decided by an NHS multidisciplinary team. The decision to award NHS Continuing Healthcare is based on medical health needs. An award is not permanent and will be reviewed annually or if there is a change in healthcare need. The first step is for a screening process to be carried out by a nurse using the NHS Continuing Healthcare checklist. The checklist contains domains of care needs subdivided into broad levels of need identified by the letters A to C. The checklist should be completed in the presence of an individual and any representative. The result of the checklist is used to determine whether a full assessment for eligibility is required. The next step is for a comprehensive multidisciplinary assessment of health and social care needs to be carried out. The assessment requires a person's needs to be recorded in 12 care domains, which are subdivided into no, low, moderate, high, severe or priority levels of need. The result should give an overall picture of a person's needs that captures the nature, complexity, intensity and unpredictability of their needs and ultimately the quality and quantity of the care that they require. If you do not agree with the outcome of the assessment, either at the checklist stage or at the full assessment, you have rights of appeal. Each case is decided on an individual basis, taking into consideration the full medical background, including looking at medical and care home records. The appeal process can be very lengthy, and there are no guarantees at any stage of the process that an award of NHS Continuing Healthcare will be given. If you are not eligible for NHS Continuing Healthcare, your health needs may be such that you need some nursing care to be provided in the nursing home in which you live. The NHS will contract to pay direct to the nursing home a fixed weekly amount known as a registered nursing care contribution. This contribution is to cover the nursing care element of your care needs. As an experienced member of Solicitors for the Elderly practising in this area of elderly client law, I'm able to advise on all stages of the process of applying for NHS Continuing Healthcare. I'm happy to help with either a new claim, claims that have been going on for years, including those on behalf of clients who have sadly passed away.